Another great way to collaborate with teachers or other staff is to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now to show my screen and record it. And so I'm going to show, for example, how you might teach someone how to use a Padlet. So here I'm already on the website. You could go through the steps, show them the different designs you can look at and select. And from here it will take you to the title. So I'm just going to say, this is my 5th grade research project that I'm working on with a 5th grade teacher. And then you can select a wallpaper of your choice. And then here is where you can show them how you can add contributors, so people to edit this with you. You can add in emails there. And then you can start posting. And this is a great way if you don't have time to meet in person, where you can all share ideas and just post together on here.